Hi guys, hope you are fine. Guys, we are going to do these questions, and guys, let me just pick any of them and continue up to where I find that time will not be enough. So guys, I can start with question number 5, that is 4, and I do it right now. So here is the question, guys. So this question, guys, I'm going to do like this. I'm going to change this one into indices, and so that it is going to be x plus 2 squared equals to 3 squared. I'll put this one here and this one up. So this one is going to be x squared plus 4x. You expand that plus now 4. This one gives us 9. From there, guys, we can now bring our 9 this side so that we have this 9, that is minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5 equals to 0. So guys, we look for two numbers. Here, if you do what? If you multiply, you get negative 5. If you add, plus 4. And those numbers are positive 5 and negative 5. So you have x squared plus 5x minus x minus 5. Guys, this one gives us 0. So we can put now the bracket there and also here and change the sign here. So from there we can factor out the x. So if we factor out the x, we shall have x plus 5, this then minus 1 x plus 5 equals to 0. So we have x minus 1, x plus 5. So this gives us 0. So therefore, guys, x is equals to 1 or x equals to negative 5. And now, guys, for this, the answer then is going to be x equals to 1. While for x equals to negative 5, this one, guys, we do not recognize that. And the reason is if you put negative 5, we have log of a negative. Log of a negative number, guys. Okay, sorry guys, this one will now, if it's squared, it will be a positive. So guys, we can do away with that and say that our solutions are x equals to 1, x equals to negative 5. Let's go now to question number 5. We can do 5. This is going to be 3 raised to 2x plus 1 is equals to 27. 27 can be written as 3 raised to 3, and then here we have 4x all over 3. So that one cancels, and guys, we are left with now 3 raised to 2x plus 1 and 3 raised to 4x, which now gives us 2x plus 1 should be equal now to 4x, because the bases are equal. The power all of the base should also be equal. So this is 1 there. This is equals to now 4x minus 2x. You get 2x. So x, guys, is going to be a half. So like that, guys. So this is our solution for that. Guys, we can now do Roman 1, and I have already written it down here. So I come and write 2. Because of this 1, I can write here first of all 2x. According to the law of indices, that is supposed to be like that. Minus 7, 2 raised to x plus 6 equals to 0. And so, guys, we come here and write 2. This one can be written as 2 x and then squared, then I put my 2 there, minus 7, 2 raised to x plus 6 equals to 0. And so we can say rate 2 raised to x equals to y. And so guys, we are going to have 2, and then y squared minus 7y plus 6 equals to 0. So guys, this is now going to be 12 and 7. We look for two numbers. If you multiply, you get 12. If you add, you get negative 7. Unless those two numbers are going to be 2, we are going to put 2y squared there. And the numbers are 4 and 3. That is minus 4y minus 3y, because minus 4 times minus 3 will give us 6. Minus 4 plus minus 3 will give us minus 7. Then here we have plus 6 equals to 0. So therefore we can now write 2, put the bracket there, then 2y squared minus 4y minus, I put another bracket here, 3y, then this one changes to negative, equals now to 0. So guys, I can factor out the 2y. I will be left with y minus 2, like that, minus, I factor out the 3, I'm left with y minus 2 equals to 0. And so therefore, we have two factors, 2y minus 3 and y minus 2. This is equals to 0. And so therefore, guys, y equals to 2, while on this other side, 2y equals to 3. So y is supposed to be equal to 3 all over 2, like that. Converting back to 2x raised to y, this one, then it means we shall have 2x is equals to y. Y is here is 2. And so here, guys, x equals to 1. So on one side, x equals to 1, like that. And on the other side, guys, we are going to have 3 over 2 is equals to 2 raised to x. And so therefore, guys, we look for x. So guys, I've already looked for that. And this x comes to 0.58. Guys, you can use the logarithm for that. You get that. And so guys, let's see whether we can continue. So guys, since time is far much spent, let me just try this last one, which is Roman 6. That is this problem. I have already written it down here. And guys, we continue with it. So guys, I'll come and change the base into base 3. So I write log to base 3 of 9 all over log base 3 of x plus, this will be 2 log to base 3 x squared, like that. This one now gives us 6, like that. And so guys, I will write here, I will come and write log to base 3. Then this one I can write it as 3 squared, and the square I can put it here. That is 2 all over log. Can put this one aside and continue like that. So now we are going to have log to base 3 of x plus. Now guys, for this one I can put my 2 here. So you have 4 log to base 3 of x, this is equals now to 6. From there, guys, we can come and cancel. This one is 1, and then we are left with 2 all over log to base 3 of x plus, here we have 4 log to base 3 of x equals to 6. So guys, we can say let log to base 3 of x be equal to y. So guys, we are going to have 2 all over y plus 4 y equals to 6. Guys, we can multiply by y throughout. This one we multiply by y. That is to remove this reciprocal. So we shall have 2 there plus 4y squared minus 6y, like that. Not minus, but equals to 6y. So we shall have now our quadratic equation as 4y squared. Can bring this one 6 this side, minus 6y plus 2 equals to 0. So guys, we are supposed to get the factors for that first, and the factors are going to be, we have 8 and we have 6. So the two numbers that when we multiply you get 8, and when you add you get negative 6 are actually 4 and minus 4 minus 2. So we shall have 4 y squared minus 4 y minus 2y then plus 2 equals to 0. So guys, we can now come and write 4y squared minus 4y, put the bracket there, minus, this is going to be 2y minus 2 equals to 0. And so therefore, guys, we are going to have, can write 4y there. We are left with y minus 1 minus, we can put 2 there, factor out 2, we get y minus 1 equals to 0. And so therefore our factors are going to be 4y minus 2 and y minus 1 equals to 0. And therefore, guys, we have y equals to 1. This side we shall have 4y equals to 2. Then y equals to a half. So those are our solution for y. We go back again to our equation, guys, where we have log. Our y is y equals to log to base 3 of x. And so guys, we can put that. We start with this one. Shall have 1 equals to log to base 3x. 1 can also be written as log to base 3 of 3 equals to log to base 3 of x. And therefore, x in this matter, it is supposed to be 3. So here we get 3 as our x. So let's go now to a half. For a half, guys, we shall have a half. We shall have a half. This one is the same as now log to base 3 of x, like that. You can write this one in form of base 3. This is a half log to base 3 of 3 equals to log to base 3 of x. And so therefore, guys, I can now put here log to base 3, I can put square root. It's actually this I'm bringing there. So this one gives us log base 3 of x. So x is then equal to square root of 3. So guys, that is our next answer. And so therefore guys, we can add there.